is Jasmine and I'm a student at McMaster University, and I also work for MCYU. We really miss our MCYU community, and since we can't get together at our family lectures or in the city workshops, we decided to make videos of activities and challenges for you to do at home. These activities will be in all areas of STEAM: science, technology, engineering, art, and math. And like all of our activities, you'll be challenged to
question, discover, create.
Let's get started with our first week's activity. We challenge you to make a collage. A collage is a piece of artwork made by sticking different materials such as photographs or pieces of paper together onto a backing. This is the collage I made.
Ooh! Ah!
These are the materials I used, but you can also use tape, glue, pom-pom, stickers, any at-home materials you may have. This challenge is for you to make a collage that represents your experience in this unique time of social distancing. You can include things that you're creating, images or words that represent your feelings, things you miss doing, things you enjoy doing right now, and who you're spending time with. There really are no rules. Get creative because every individual is unique, and we want you to express your individuality in your collage. Once you're finished your collage, ask your parents to help you take a photo and send it to us through email or social media. We want to share your artworks on our website and social media to bring our MCYU community together. Happy collaging, everyone! Stay tuned for next week when I teach you how to make a water filter.